Welcome to Lux King, the perfect place to learn about self-development, entrepreneurial mindset, and financial knowledge. In today's video, we will discuss Top 11 Entrepreneurial Mindset Tips to Achieve Great Success. So, how do entrepreneurs think differently from the general public? Here are some tips for developing an entrepreneurial mindset. Number 1. Do what you are incredibly good at and delegate the rest as soon as possible. Entrepreneurs are creative and take pleasure in their ability to launch a profitable business. They know they must put their ego aside if they want to succeed. Similar to saying, go alone if you want to go fast, go together if you want to go far. Therefore, you should allocate the duties you strongly dislike and those you are not particularly good to others as soon as possible. Doing this gives you more time to focus on the qualities that stand you apart from the others. When you do what you like, you feel more motivated to do it, and it does not feel like a job. Number 2. Have confidence in your business and your skills. The process of growing a successful business takes time. Sometimes you will face hardship, struggles, and things not working as expected. Those struggles are essential for your success. See the struggles as something positive, since you will develop a better mindset after overcoming the difficulties that a struggle brings into your business. The best entrepreneurs had to face struggles before they succeed. For example, Tesla was failing hard before it became profitable. Elon Musk decided to go bankrupt and used his wealth to maintain the company. And now, Elon Musk is one of the most successful entrepreneurs alive. Number 3. Numerous business prospects exist. You only need to look for them. Many people complain that there are no great business choices left. They wonder what the world might need after seeing companies like Tesla, Google, Apple, Amazon, TikTok, and others. They are not visionary, and neither do they see the potential value. This sense can be developed through learning and thinking about starting a business. Studying and considering how to begin a business can help gain this perception. You may need months or even years to do this. But the more you develop an entrepreneurial mindset, the more chances you will have. Keep in mind that there are innumerable possibilities for you to grab. Number 4. Just because you can does not mean you should. It is a sure way to destroy your business to say yes to everything that comes your way. When you start, it can be challenging to adopt a mindset of being selective with your time and resources. But it can also help you to stay focused on your goals. Don't take on a prospective client out of a need to fill more client bookings if they seem to be outside the scope of your vision and won't be a suitable fit. The rest will fall into place if you stay true to your goal, grow your company to meet your vision, and acquire social proof from your mission and vision-aligned, steadfast clients. Don't get distracted by the bright, flashy things. Number 5. Put money to good use. Most people exchange their time for money. Others work a 9-to-5 job and receive hourly pay. Others work for themselves and provide their clients with coaching, haircuts, and massages. With what they are doing now, none can make more money than a certain amount. However, there is a practical method that will massively boost your income. Making your money work for you is one way to do this, also known as passive income. Entrepreneurs make consistent profits on their investments in the stock market, real estate, and businesses. They have endless freedom to enjoy their rising income due to this. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tips on how to be successful financially. Number 6. Let them know what you do. You must develop the behavior of presenting your business with everyone you encounter when you work for yourself. The individual sitting next to you on a flight or during chats in line at the coffee shop may be your new client or introduce you to a new one. Having this chat ready to go in your arsenal of small talk is key if you want to build an entrepreneurial mindset. Always try to promote yourself and your business. Number 7. We learn from failure. With the knowledge you have received from the failing, you are already better prepared to attempt again and succeed this time. So focus all your disappointment on figuring out what went wrong and making a strategy for what to do next. We are constantly learning from our mistakes. Be happy when you fail because you are one step closer to success. Number 8. The growth mindset. You won't even do more if you think you are somehow limited in your potential and level of accomplishment. However, if you have a growth mentality, you will be able to accomplish more because you will think you can learn and do new things. If you push yourself hard enough and give new things a chance, you can teach yourself how to accomplish anything. Number 9. Find a solution for a problem. Don't try to solve a problem that no one has. Focus your energy on creating something that will solve a problem. Concentrate on the people you wish to help and find solutions to their worries. Look at your audience and figure out what they need. If you can answer this question, your products or services have everything to be a success. Number 10. Focus on positive thinking. It is possible to change your negative thoughts to positive ones. It is a simple process that needs practice because you are creating new habits. Believe that you will reach your goals and only focus on the steps to do it. Do not give strength to negative thoughts such as doubts or what can go wrong. If most of the time you have happy thoughts, you will have a happy life. Your most dominant thoughts will become your reality. If you imagine a luxurious lifestyle with nice cars, financial freedom, and a successful business, it can become true if you believe it and work for it. Number 11. Invest in yourself. You can invest in yourself by improving your skills. You will become better at what you do by just improving your skills. Your business will benefit from it. You can take online courses related to the skills you want to improve. Reading books related to your business also helps a lot. It will help you develop creative thinking and find new ideas to boost your business. Always have a positive mindset. Do never quit. And that's it for today. Like this video and subscribe to this channel for more personal growth and entrepreneurial strategies. Leave a comment if you have more entrepreneurial mindset tips. See you next time.